I just want to talk about LDC because we've done a whole big series on Super 10 and how amazing it is. But LDC is another one of my favorite products. So you can see I use LDC, and 1 liter of concentrate makes 11 of these 300 ml bottles, and it lasts me about 6 weeks. But I do everything with this. I wash my dishes with it. It's a rinse aid in my dishwasher. It's a surface cleaner. It's a bath cleaner. It's a towel cleaner. It's an oven cleaner. It's a microwave cleaner. I wash my veggies in it. It's a hand soap, and I can go on and on. So let me demonstrate this to you. I pour the concentrate in until that first little marker on the bottle. Here we go. The rest is just with water, and we fill it to the top. And I really do mean the top. Right. And this is called a mixing bottle. So we mix it. What I want to demonstrate to you today is what LDC does. So I'm pouring 2 glasses of water, just tap water. It's not distilled water. Haven't done anything special. LDC makes water wetter. So here I've got my 2 glasses of water, and I'm just going to put a squirt of LDC in there. And now I've got 2 balls of brown paper, just the ordinary stuff that we wrap school books in. And I'm going to drop them in, and you can just watch and see which one sinks faster. It's really quite amazing. So you can clearly see that the water is wetter. So what does LDC do? It breaks the surface tension, which is really important, and I'll explain why now. Because it makes water wetter, it allows the surfactant, you know, the stuff that lifts the grease off your plates and pots, to get behind more quickly, so that it can actually go behind and lift the grease. And it keeps that grease suspended so that it is rinsed down your pipes and out, so that your pipes don't get blocked. This brown paper is still floating on the top of the surface tension of the water, and this one has already sunk. So now I'm going to take this brown paper out. You saw how little LDC I put in there, a squirt. I'm going to pop this same into this bowl. Right, so here I've got some broccoli. When you go to the shops, you often see on the packaging of our veggies and fruits, it says rinse before use. Now, pesticides, herbicides, and fungicides are actually oil-based. So a rinse with water is not going to take that poison off what you eat. And let me demonstrate. If you watch, you can see that the water is just bouncing off the broccoli. Nothing's going in. Nothing is rinsing off there. However, if I dip this broccoli in that squirt of LDC water, and now I do it again, and the water is just flowing through. So that tiny squirt of LDC has actually removed all the wax, removed all the oil-based fungicides, herbicides, and pesticides. And now I can take this and eat it with no fear of the residue getting into my body or my kids' bodies. Let's just show you that again. A lovely piece of broccoli. I'm rinsing it like the shop packaging suggests. Nothing is going through, it's bouncing off the broccoli. Now just a squirt of LDC. I've dipped it in this bottle, in this bowl of water, and straight through. Everything has been washed off, and I can eat this with no worries.